chopped down a couple of trees with big axe, but it's shaping up pretty well. I still have over here to do, but soon it's gonna be hard to see my house and not just thorn bushes. Let's see what we got here. There's some pretty gnarly roots like this. I don't even know what plant that was when I cut it down, or like the hair on this side. And I came across this thorn bush, and look at the damn thorns in this thing. I've never even seen this type of thorn bush, and we have every type of thorn bush in our yard from the overgrowth. Another not so easy task completed. I completely pruned all of these pine trees. Now I have to move all the branches, and that's good. I think I'm gonna put up fencing and a door, and we got ourselves a huge garden. Yep, I think that's it for today. Actually, there's one more thing I could do. There's this bush that we didn't plant that's like taking over. I'm gonna try and do some damage to it. Well, let's get that started before the sun goes down. With the final branch. I have thorn cuts all over me and thorns and all that crap, but final branch. Let me see. Well, the last thing I have to do before I get to take a shower is take down this tree. Last thing. Hopefully this takes it down. Oh, come on. Fall down, please. So much for being done for today. I thought this was going to be a quick 1-2, and I've already chopped down 2 trees and this monstrosity. But hell, man. All right, complete. Looks a lot different now, right? Looks so clear, except for all the crap. But and this tree I need to chop down with the axe, actually.